The 2015 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, power driver's seat, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.